Hi Rich, hi Irma. This is Jackie Otwell with Maxhouse Marketing. I spoke with Irma last week about me shooting this little 5-minute custom video over to you based on your website and how it's ranking online. So I'm going to go ahead and jump right in. First thing that I'm going to do is Google HVAC companies, Corpus Christi, Texas. This top section up here is the ad section. As you can see, it says sponsored, meaning all of these people are paying for ads, including here and here. This begins the Google My Business section, the map pack. If you didn't have one of these, we'd go ahead and add you. A lot of times it goes hand in hand with how your website's ranking. If your website's ranking bad, you won't rank as well on here and vice versa. And then this begins the organic section. So this is where the actual ranking begins. As you can see, these are all directory links. So I'm going to go ahead and start with the first organic independent contractor, which is Maxhouse ACs. So I'm going to go ahead and through the duration of this video, I'm going to compare your website to theirs. So first things first, I'm going to look at their website and we are going to talk about content. So content is any verbiage or wording on a website. We're going to focus specifically on the homepage for now. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and grab all of their content off of their homepage and I am going to stick it in a word counter. And you can see they only have about 338 words of content on their homepage. I'm going to go ahead and do the same for you. And I am going to grab that and stick it in the word counter. And you have about 557 words. So Google actually recommends us having 1,000 to 2,000 words of content on our homepage. Reason being is that this provides 1,000 to 2,000 opportunities for us to stuff that content with keyword-rich words, which are going to pull you up in more Google searches and bring you more traffic. So that leads us to the second topic, which is keywords. So what are keywords? Keywords are these little phrases that people stick into Google to bring up websites. So to dive more into that, I am going to take each of your websites and place it into Ahrefs, which is an online tool that I use. So I put Maxhouse AC's website in there, and you can see right off the bat, this is their traffic value generated from their website. And this is the number of keywords they have. This is yours put into Ahrefs, so you look at your traffic value and look at your keywords. So I'm going to go ahead and click on their keywords, and we're going to get into yours in just a second. So things like AC Repair Corpus Christi, AC Corpus Christi, anything with Corpus Christi, that's kind of what we're looking for. Things like heat and AC repair near me, air comfort solutions, anything without a central air repair, anything without a location attached, that's a nationwide keyword, which means that someone in Oregon could essentially Google central air repair and possibly populate this website. Is that beneficial to us? Is it going to bring in a customer that is going to pay us money? Probably not. Unless you plan on hopping on a plane and flying to Oregon, it's not really the traffic that we're trying to generate. We want to stick to these ones with locations attached. I do feel like they could do a little bit more in grasping Calallen, Alice, Robstown, Portland, Sinton, etc. There's so much you can do with the small surrounding towns that people don't seem to grasp. So that would be beneficial for us. So I'm going to go ahead and take a look at your keywords and see what you have. You do have HVAC Corpus Christi. So you have quite a few, but again, like you do have a Portland. There's so many other areas that we could grasp and really pull in that traffic for you. So the third topic that I am going to talk about is backlinks. So what are backlinks? Backlinks are really important to the ranking of your website. So backlinks are essentially anywhere on the internet where your website is linked. So somewhere on the internet, this website is linked 150 times, which means that provides 150 more opportunities for it to be seen. And somewhere on the internet, your website is linked 148 times. Now, not all backlinks are created equal, so we don't have to have 151 to beat them necessarily. We need higher power, more quality backlinks. We could have 60 and beat them. So what we do is we go ahead and we add ourselves to all of the high-powered ones that they have to even out the playing field, and then we go ahead and we keep adding more monthly so month after month after month, to go ahead and completely blow them out of the water. So that being said, I hope that you enjoyed this video. I hope it was informative for you. Feel free to incorporate these tips yourself, or of course reach out to me for more information. I would love to talk about your business goals and how we can generate some more traffic for you online. Hope to hear from you soon, and I appreciate your time. Thank you.